Hi, I'm Miriam, and I would like to share with you some field-tested feedback tools to improve your online instruction. I recommend following steps. Start with a simple design and third-party videos. Then collect questions and feedbacks from your students. And in the end, analyze those feedbacks and improve your content and design according to your conclusions. For an easy start to your flipped instructions, I have 2 tips. First, use tutorials from the internet. Video productions is time-consuming, but there are high-quality tutorials and documentaries already on YouTube. Your students learn different explanation styles and can choose the most fitting ones. Secondly, start with a simple table design to guide your students through their assignments. I show you 3 tools for your online instructions and at the end of this tutorial a solution with a learning management system. For a start, you may simply email a Word document or its PDF to your students or upload it on the school intranet. In this example, you see the schedule in the upper table, all the objectives in the left column, assignments from textbooks or workbooks in the middle, and hyperlinks to video tutorials and online exercises as well. Be careful that you generate your PDF in the web-optimized version. With the print version, the links may not work. If your school have Office 365 for education, you may include your lessons directly in OneNote. Here is an example from a Microsoft tutorial with courses, the subject, and the lesson itself with a 2-column design. If your school uses G Suite for education, you can create a website with Google Web Designer. Start with simple tables with the objectives, workbook assignments, and a column where you embed third-party videos and learning apps. The students work the rows from top to bottom. Later, you may find the adaptive function in Google Web Designer to optimize your lessons for mobiles, because some pupils may want to learn on the bus too. This first video should ease your transition to online instruction. The second video will show you feedback tools to improve your flipped classroom.